Welcome to the video overview of the mobile application Smokefree environment. This application has been created for Russia, but can be adjusted and used for any country in the world. On June 2014, Russia implemented smoke-free legislation. It is now against the law to smoke in all public places: government and cultural institutions, stadiums, hospitals, restaurants and bars, hotels, train stations, airports, offices, and more. The legislation also regulates the placement and advertisement of tobacco products in stores and shops. We've created a mobile application to get people involved in reducing smoking in public places and maintaining and supporting smoke-free legislation. The application enables specialists, volunteers, and government agencies to monitor, identify, evaluate, and share information about the compliance of businesses and institutions with the smoke-free legislation. This application is an easy-to-use tool for both specialists and volunteers to learn more about smoke-free legislation and support the smoke-free community. Any individual who wants can get involved by simply downloading the app to access the information and becoming a volunteer if they want to make a difference. The Smokefree app is available now for download in the App Store and Google Play. You can find the links below. So this mobile app is based on 4 key principles: user-friendly and intuitive design, positive impact and behavior change communication theory, quality control of the data provided, and easy access to the data via website and mobile app. Let's take a closer look at the app. Since this is a Russian program, all content is of course Russian language, but we've translated some of the icons so you can have a better idea of what users see. This is the main screen that provides access to all of the sections of the app. Those include legislation, a smoke-free map, a list of fines for violations, tobacco industry myths, and the user profile and guide. The design of this mobile application is based on the results of research of prospective clients and early adopters, making it very engaging and appealing for users. Our smoke-free app is based on a 2-pronged approach aimed at both those in violation of the new legislation and at non-violators, employers, and business or property owners who witness violations and wish to involve government agencies in their efforts to enforce the legislation. The key component of the mobile app is an interactive map and monitoring features that allow a user to place his or her comments about any place regarding anti-tobacco legislation compliance. Let's take a closer look. If you tap on the map icon, you will see the map of your city with the nearby locations already commented on by our users. You can also add a new location and leave a comment about whether it's smoke-free or not. On the location screen, you can see the votes of visitors about the smoke-free status of the place and read the comments. All the information placed in the map can be viewed on smartphones, tablets, and our website. All of the comments are pre-moderated, so they do not contain any aggressive or other non-informative text. To leave your own comments, you need to go through a quick registration process in the profile section. The only personal information required is your email address, and these email addresses will not be given out to any third parties and will only be used to get in touch with users regarding their communication through the app. We focus not only on violators, but also on those places and facilities that follow the legislation. Placing positive examples on the map serves as an effective tool to encourage violators to change their behavior and join the anti-tobacco movement. As we already said, the mobile app is designed for use by anyone, regardless of his or her knowledge of the smoke-free legislation. While professionals in this field may be very familiar with the legislation, volunteers may be less aware of all its details. Users can easily navigate special components of the application to get quick answers about various aspects of the legislation and check their knowledge on things like where smoking is banned, what fines are in place for violations, what to do if you witness a violation and where to send reports, and the most common myths that the tobacco industry uses to attempt to discredit anti-smoking efforts. Each section contains detailed information, infographics, and intuitive navigation. These informational components are always available and continually updated. All components are organized in a way that does not prevent users from accessing other components, using the map, adding comments, or sending a violation report. We believe that it is important to put knowledge into action, so we included the Report a Violation button right on the app. The user can send a report to all government agencies in charge of handling smoking violations. So this is a brief overview of what our application can do, and we are working to improve its functionality. We will be glad to hear about your smoke-free initiatives and share our experience developing and implementing this project. As we said before, this application was created for Russia, but can be easily translated and adapted for use in any country interested in using mobile resources in the fight against tobacco use. Please contact us if you are interested in launching this application in your country. So, join us now. You can download the application at Apple Store or Google Play. Enjoy a healthy life and a smoke-free environment.